a bit of a different kind of unboxing. So I have my box. This is a order I made to a, not even an indie brand, but a UK maker who I've bought from before. I've bought her stuff at Hyper Japan, and I know like one other person who's bought different things, and I asked her, can you do custom sized blouses? I seen she'd done one before and she said yeah, and so I ordered 3. And the maker is Sanrda. She's on Facebook and Etsy. I ordered through Facebook. She communicated really well with me. She got back to me like really quickly, and my order note. Packaging itself is a box with some plastic to keep it safe, and then it looks like all the blouses are in tissue. So I have, generally speaking, had enough of not having blouses that fit me. Sorry, my SD card just ran out of space. So first up we have a pink blouse. I was a bit worried about this lace, but it's actually quite nice. It's really soft Rachel lace, so it's very old school. I know that a lot of people don't like this, but I don't mind. Had I have wanted different lace, I have said take the tissue out. There's tissue inside too, and yeah, that looks like it's going to be a perfect fit, especially with the measurements I gave her. A little puff sleeve. I've got an elasticated sleeve cuff that looks like it's going to be definitely big enough for my arms. Pull the other bit of tissue out. There we go, that's my pink blouse with white lace. There wasn't any pink lace, so we went for white. My white blouse also with white lace. I think this, my camera's just like, there's way too much. This looks definitely more chilled out. Oh, I'm so excited for these. Once again, tissue. See, I'm not mad about the tissue because tissue you can recycle. There we go. And that's the white one. In theory, it's exactly the same size. And then the black one. And there's the tag. So these were £22 each, which is quite a lot for a blouse. For like, I say this, it's not actually that much. Bodyline ones are about 15, and you know, brand ones go for a lot more. I'm gonna try and put this on over what I'm wearing. The I think this bit's called the placket for the buttons is really sturdy. I don't think this is going to come unbuttoned anytime soon. We'll see how it goes over the top of what I'm wearing while I'm sat down. Yeah, that fits fine on there. Oh, we're going to be good here, I think. Especially considering this is like over an OP. Yeah, we are living life here. So yeah, we've got a nice button-up Peter Pan collar, which is what I wanted. Then we're just going to do the rest of the buttons. Oh man, I added the extra like 4 centimeters for breathing space. I'm glad I did. If anything, they might be a little big, but I'm not complaining. Ooh. Ooh, we are styling, so it's got these nice seams to give it shape. Obviously it's a bit hard to see the bottom, but the bottom of the blouses are just very plain. She did ask if I wanted a ruffle. I said no, because I'm mostly going to be wearing them tucked into skirts. But no, I'm very happy with these. The sleeves start in like the right place. I love the sleeve length. It's not too long, it's not too short, it doesn't dig in. I can move freely, which is very important. yeah, there's the colour. Obviously you've got this interacting right now, but yeah, no, I'm really happy with these. Yeah, I don't have much more to say. I'm just really happy. I'm happy I finally got blouses that fit. Finally got blouses that are short sleeved in black, white and pink, because they're annoyingly hard to find when you're my size, and I'm not even like, I'm not the biggest Lolita I know, but I'm definitely comfortable in recommending Sanrda Ann for custom blouses. It took a month and a half, but that was because the pink fabric had to be ordered and she didn't want to ship it out in separate pieces. Although I imagine if I'd really needed one, she could have done. Would recommend. Good blouse. I'm excited to use them for future cords. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that these blouses, you know, other people will have some use out of them. And if you see Sanrda Ann at a convention, I would recommend buying her stuff, especially her blouses and aprons. I've got a really nice apron. I've worn it a few times. I'll pop the picture in. And yeah, it's super cute. I'm glad I've bought from her more than once, and I will probably buy from her again. I think I might get a mint blouse next, and maybe a red one, maybe a bright blue one. Don't know, I'm just going to be buying blouses. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you real soon.